Hello, my name is Brona and I am from Galway in Ireland, and this is my very first Harp Progress video. Harp Progress Day 1. So today I have just got this beautiful harp. I got it from Callan Harps in County Galway, Ireland. And the harp, it's a 32 string lever harp, and the wood is made from alder. And what I particularly liked about this harp was that the alder that the harp is made from, the trees came from a place called Alderford House, which is in County Roscommon. And Alderford House was owned by the MacDermott family, and it is known for its connection with the very famous Irish harpist Turlough O Carolan, who stayed there a lot. The MacDermott family also was a patron of Turlough O Carolan. He composed a lot of his music there, and he died there in 1738. So this is my first time playing the harp. I've never played a harp before. Some of you may have seen some of my other videos, and you'll know that I play some other instruments. So this is my newest instrument, an early birthday present for myself. The harp has a lovely sound. It's a nice lovely a loud sound, but a mellow sound as well. So I've just been noodling around with it a little bit today. So I'm going to play a very slow, probably, version of a tune called Chimes.